This is a piece of shit, and I'm hoping that this one is not. I just got sawdust in my eyes. No! I dropped the screw. Oh, my arm's getting tired. There's no way I can do this. Now I dropped my screwdriver. I don't think I can get it. I need someone to hold this for me. So today I am finally getting around to replacing one of our stock exhaust fans. We have two. We have one in the kitchen and we have one in the bathroom. I'm going to replace the one in the bathroom today with this, the Hengs Typhoon. The Hengs has a few. They have a Vortex, a Vortex II, and then this Typhoon. So we're going to give it a shot. The instructions that come with this are useless. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this. We're just going to wing it, find out. So here we go. Original, upgraded. Right? You see the difference? Yeah. Okay, but before we do anything, let's go pull the fuse for the bathroom lights and the fan. So the first thing you'll do is remove the shroud. As you can see, I've already done. Then there's one screw that is holding the vent knob in place. Unscrew that and the vent knob will pop right out. Then the screen, mine did not have any screws holding it in. It was just some plastic tabs and it pops out. Then get yourself some pliers and you'll have to disconnect the existing wiring from the switch and you can get rid of that. Then there's a couple screws holding the motor in. That pulls right out pretty easily. That's all the easy stuff. Now, if you're doing this on your own, this is when you're going to have to get a little bit creative. I used some bungee cord to suspend the fan so I could connect it to the existing wiring. You'll pop your fuse back in, turn everything on, make sure it works. You do not want to mount this thing in the ceiling, get everything in place, only to find out you've either wired it wrong or the fan doesn't work. So make sure everything works before you mount it. We have a working fan. Hopefully you saw that. That's good news. Now I have to try to figure out how on earth this thing actually goes in here. So wish me luck. I just got sawdust in my eyes. Kid, wear safety glasses. Okay, so the way it came would not line up. These gears to open and close the housing wouldn't line up with the way this was in the box. So these bottom three holes is where all these gears were situated in the box. And I had to take the knob off, pick the gears off the back and move everything up to the top three holes. And I just tried to fit it in there and it lines up perfectly now with the gear that's already there. So let's see if we can get this thing set up in there and do our test. It's hot in here. So I would recommend having someone else help you with this, because if not, you're going to have to get creative. Old step ladder. No! I dropped the screw. You want to crawl around on the floor and help me look for it? Probably not. Did it go in the shower? Oh, it is. There it is. I see it. Got it. Thanks for your help, guys. Now, I just need... Can one of you guys come hold this up here for me? Oh, my arm's getting tired. There's no way I can do this. Now I dropped my screwdriver. I can't... Can I get it? I don't think I can get it. Hold on. I'm gonna try to pick this screwdriver up with my foot. Oh, I got it on my shoe. Hold on. I got it. All right, we got her in there all by ourselves. However, although we did do it by ourselves, quite the victory. I would definitely recommend a helping buddy with that. Because your arms are going to get tired, or you're going to have to get creative to do it yourself. So, but we did it. So let's see if we can figure out a test. Well, let's turn everything back on. Make sure it still works. Okay, so what I'm trying here is I crack that window. It's the only window that's open in the camper, and I'm going to go turn the fan on that we just installed, and we'll see if we can get some movement on this thing. All right, let's go. Oh, look at that. Yeah, quite a bit, huh? I'd love to know your all's thoughts. Does anyone have one of these? Does anyone have the Vortex? What do you guys think? You know what? Maybe we should test the one in the kitchen too, and see if it does that. Because I mean, that thing's really going. Let's try it. Yeah, it's doing nothing. Absolutely nothing. All right, let's just go back to the bathroom one real quick. And boom. Yeah, I mean, that's fairly decent evidence that it's doing a good job, I would say. Okay, that's going to wrap it up for this one. Shoot me a comment down below, guys. What do you guys think? Thoughts, questions? Just let me know what you thought. And if you found the video helpful at all, or maybe just entertaining, give us a like, a comment, subscribe. We do stuff like this all the time, and we'd love to have you along. So we'll see you guys on the next one.